A variable product can be a t-shirt, for example, which has different sizes and colors. And if you want to set different images and even different prices for each variant, keep watching, cause I'll show you how to publish your first product step by step. To create the first product, click on the Add New link in the Products menu or New Product in the drop-down menu of your admin bar. First of all, we need to add a name to our product. I think the Premium Yoga T-shirt will be perfect. When adding products to WooCommerce for the first time, you will see that the plugin comes with clear instructions to make sure you understand every step, so you can follow the steps by clicking Next. The text in the editor should be an in-depth description of your product that needs to contain as much as possible details like gender, style, material, season, and so on. For example, you can say this yoga t-shirt is as close to perfect as can be. It's optimized for all types of print and will quickly become your favorite t-shirt. After that, you can say that the gender is for woman, the occasion is for yoga, the material is synthetic, and the season is summer. These are just examples, but you can write in here whatever you consider useful. For example, you can show the available sizes, the weight, and package contents if needed. And then you can close the description of your product with a strong phrase, something like soft, comfortable, and durable. This is a definite must-own product. Next, you need to set up the product type in the product data dropdown. If your product will have different variables, like colors and sizes, as I mentioned earlier, you should choose the variable product type. Before clicking Next, we need to add some variations, but the first step actually is to add the attributes that variations will use. To do that, click on the Attributes tab, then click to add a custom product attribute. Name your first attribute. Size in our case. Check both boxes below the name and then add the values like so: M, L, and XL. Type this vertical bar between those values and then click on Save Attributes. You can find that vertical bar on the right side of your keyboard for both Mac or Windows PC. Next, we will add another custom product attribute, which will be the color selector. The values I choose are white, blue, and red, but you can add as many colors as your product has. Just remember to insert the vertical bar between them like so. Click on Save Attributes, then go to the Variations tab. If you want to control the price and images of your variable products individually, choose Create Variations from All Attributes in the drop-down, then click Go. Click OK on the notification and wait until the process is done. Now you can see 9 different combinations of your product, which you can use to set different image and price for each. I will set the same price for each variation, but if you have different price for the blue t-shirt, for example, you can define that here. Remember that variations with this field empty will be considered as an unavailable product. Out of stock, for example. Now you can continue adding different images for each color variations. A white t-shirt here, a blue t-shirt here, and a red t-shirt here. You will understand why we are doing this when I will preview the first product, so stay with me because it gets more and more interesting. Once variations are added, make sure you write a short description of your product below. You can copy the first 2 sentences from the text editor above. It's absolutely fine. Then you need to add images into the product image and product gallery section. To do that, click on Set Product Image here and upload the image you want to see first on the product page. I will choose the red t-shirt, for example. Click on Set Product Image on the right side of your screen and then add more images to your product gallery, including the red t-shirt. Once you finish adding images to your product, go ahead and set the product category and tags. If you have a huge inventory, you may want to manage the number of products. To do that, click on this tab and use Stock Keeping Units. Then enable the stock management. Here, you can set the stock quantity and then choose if you are willing to allow back orders for the out-of-stock products. Once you finish the settings, you can publish your first product. Let's check our work so far. This is how your first product will look like after adding all the elements mentioned before: image, gallery, description, and here is how the product variations work. If you choose the blue color, for example, you can see that the image will jump automatically to the blue t-shirt. Now, you can add as many products as you want following the same instructions.